Andito tayo ngayon sa Isabela. City of Ilagan. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba sa likod ko? Ang tawag dito ay Queen Isabela II. Napakaganda po ng kanyang sculpture. Mapaligiran po siya. Tara, tignan natin.
Queen Isabela Park, also known as Sky Park. A park in Barangay Alibago whose centerpiece is the Queen Isabela II monument. The sculpture of Queen Isabela II of Spain, surrounded by sculptures of deceased Isabellan leaders and heroes. This park is located in Front Isabela Provincial Capital in Barangay Alibago along the National Highway. It is the newest and the biggest park in Ilagan. Wala pong entrance dito at libre. The 17-feet sculpture of Queen Isabela II of Spain is truly a masterpiece. It is being surrounded by the sculptures of former leaders and heroes who served and fought for the province. The Queen Isabela Sky Park is the tribute to Queen Isabela II of Spain, who is issued a royal degree that created province in 1856. Tumataas ang balahibo ko, guys, sa mga sculpture na nakapaligid sa Queen Isabel Park. Ayan o. Ayan. Tumataas tuloy ang mga balahibo ko.
Ito ay may mga magagandang pasyalan dito sa Isabela. Ayan. Yun o. Yan po ang park. Napakaganda ng ambience dito, guys. Ang ganda ng ambience dito, guys. At saka malamig ang simoy ng hangin dito. Ganito oh, presko ang hangin. Nakakatawa yung itsura nila. Yun o, diba? Parang comedy. Yun o. Tapos ito guys o. Diba o. Dito guys o. Diba? In love to guys o. In love. Yun o, in love. Ayan, marami pa. Hanggang doon yan o. Wala yung operator dito, guys, kaya hindi muna mapapagana to. Sasakay sana tayo dyan eh, pero wala yung operator. Guys, kung mapapadaan ka dito sa City of Ilagan, daanan mo tong park na to.